Hello, Mr. Geisler here. Now let's take a look at question number 3. A school intramural committee consists of 2 freshmen, 3 sophomores, 4 juniors, and 5 seniors. 5 freshmen, 10 sophomores, 10 juniors, and 8 seniors are eligible to be on the committee. Find the number of different possible committees. So we're going to actually combine a couple of different things here. The first thing we're going to do is look at a decision chart because there's 4 different things that we need to choose. We need to choose the freshmen that are in there. We need to choose the sophomores, and we need to choose the juniors, and we need to choose the seniors. Well, how many possible freshmen can we have? Well, there's 5 total freshmen, and I want to choose 2 of them. So that would be 5C2, where I use the combination because the order I choose them doesn't matter. For sophomores, I have 10, and I choose 3. For juniors, I have 10, and I choose 4. And then for seniors, I have 8, and I want to choose 5. So you're going to have to do each one of these in your calculator. You could do them all at once and multiply. If you did them individually, 5C2 is equal to 10. 10C3 is 120. 10C4 is 210. And 8C5 is 56. So then you multiply all of those together, and you're going to get 14112,000. So 14,112,000.